I'm Tom DeMille, Executive Vice President, Sales and Marketing with Transtar. Transtar's been successful in the transmission industry for several reasons, but the main thing is committing to the founding philosophy of the company, which was, we don't want your order, we want to earn your business. From there, we've done everything we can to simplify complex vehicle repair for our customers and help make our customers more successful and profitable by giving them what they need to get cars on and off their lift and make their customers happy. So for Transtar, 2024 in the general repair industry means that we're going to be bringing more product lines to market in more locations. Customers are going to see additional geographic expansion. We've opened 3 locations pretty much at the end of 2023, and we're looking to do a whole lot more in 2024. Opening new branches, bringing these products to market for our existing customers and new customers that we're excited to meet. Transtar is always going to remain committed to our roots in the transmission industry. It's what we were founded on. We have customers today that have been with us for the nearly 50 years that we've been in business. We expect to stay at the forefront of product development, of technology, and bringing solutions to our customers that are going to help make their lives easier. Our commitment to our customers is that they can continue to expect what they've gotten from Transtar for nearly 50 years. The broadest product line in the industry, the highest quality products, and the absolute best sales team, bringing all of this to their shop every day. As we look to the future, beyond transmissions and beyond general repair, we can't deny that EVs are going to have an impact at some point down the road. It's very early yet, but we're trying to get ahead of those trends. And what we're seeing in EV is that there's going to be complex vehicle systems in them, like transmissions, that are going to require specialization. And we're trying to get ahead of that now and help our customers understand the future, where the industry is going, and have solutions ready for them when these problems start to arise in their shops so they can continue to help get their customers back on the road. So as we think about entering the general repair industry, having been involved in transmissions for nearly 50 years, we think our technical expertise, our product line development, our sales team, customer relationships that we've built, and everything that our company was founded on, that philosophy of the customer comes first and helping our customers solve their problems no matter what comes into their shop, whether it's a product solution, it's solutions like remote assisted programming that helps them get cars back on the road quickly. It all comes down to making our customer more profitable, more successful, keeping their customers happy. Automotive repair is tough, and our job is to make it easy for our customers.